everyone, and welcome to Pixie Look. We're so happy you're here today. If you love inspiring pixie haircut transformations, timeless style, and beauty tips for women over 60, then you're in the right place. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest makeover videos and hairstyle inspiration. Today's video is about something much deeper than a haircut. We're sharing a collection of incredible hair transformations that touched hearts and brought tears of joy. These women didn't cry because they lost their long hair. They cried because they saw themselves in a new light. They saw confidence, beauty, and hope reflected back in the mirror. A haircut can be the beginning of a new chapter. For many women over 60, changing their hairstyle is about more than fashion. It can represent strength after difficult times, the courage to embrace natural beauty, or the excitement of starting fresh. Every transformation tells a unique story, and every smile reminds us that beauty comes in many forms. Many women keep the same hairstyle for years because it feels familiar. There's comfort in routine, and long hair often becomes part of a person's identity. But sometimes, stepping outside that comfort zone opens the door to something wonderful. Choosing a pixie haircut is often a bold decision, yet many women discover it is one of the best choices they have ever made. As each transformation begins, you can see a mixture of emotions. There is excitement, curiosity, and sometimes nervousness. The first cut is always the biggest step. Watching long hair fall away can feel emotional. But with every careful snip, a beautiful new style begins to appear. One of the most touching moments in every makeover is the final reveal. As the mirror is turned, expressions often change from surprise to joy. Some women cover their faces with emotion, while others smile through happy tears. These heartfelt reactions remind us that confidence can begin with something as simple as a fresh hairstyle. Of course, every person's experience is different. Not everyone reacts with tears, but many people feel a renewed sense of confidence and happiness after finding a hairstyle that truly suits them. A successful haircut is not about changing who you are. It is about helping your outer appearance reflect how you want to feel inside. Healthy hair care is just as important as the haircut itself. Regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks help maintain the shape of a pixie cut. Using a gentle shampoo, a nourishing conditioner, and lightweight styling products keeps the hair healthy, soft, and full of natural movement. A few minutes of styling each morning is often enough to create an elegant look. Fashion also complements a beautiful pixie haircut. Elegant earrings, stylish glasses, colorful scarves, and classic clothing all pair wonderfully with short hair. A pixie cut creates a polished appearance that works beautifully for everyday activities as well as special occasions. Remember that beauty has no age limit. Women over 60 continue to inspire others with their confidence, kindness, wisdom, and timeless style. Every wrinkle tells a story. Every smile reflects experience. And every new hairstyle is an opportunity to celebrate life with confidence. If you have ever thought about trying a pixie haircut, let these inspiring transformations remind you that positive change often begins with one brave decision. Trust yourself, embrace your individuality, and choose the hairstyle that makes you feel your very best. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We truly appreciate every member of the Pixie Look family. If you enjoyed these inspiring hair transformations, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest makeover stories, pixie haircut ideas, and beauty inspiration for women over 60.